Ebusian for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra will like a comment, subscribing, turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for and then Yebra God na sorry Bediako Ayɛka say I feel what na say I taking the time I call a yes oral document NDC for the buy no akomu ye o say akomu ye no who say an amalgamation of pure rubbish.
7 years na me kwata office no me read niema ma hwehwe urade no aba almost 60 pages me hwɛ more to say amalgamation and of rubbish, pure rubbish.
Amalgamation of pure rubbish. They say oral now. Any reports are almost say omanya no. Nkosiasem every different kosiafo nchen. Our modern in boom. Edit 2 documents mo. Yeah. Now, I don't know. Say obi wagana ha. Until now. Na sa nepano still under the illusion say. Ya bet chi obi. Chi de bet mi achi nkofo. Chi de easy. Oh, say on de bet mi achi nkofo. Papa say ye obi. Emma be prison sentence because of oral papers. Oral papers are say report okujeto. Martin Kwebu. From Musenkra. One view. Domelovo. It's a policeman. Any guy or so Yokoi, Remonacha. If you are under the illusion, say anyone will be convicted because of that nonsense. Because you're 7 please wake up. Wake up. Mamunim say NDC for they are very good with propaganda. At least I can say, I want people to I don't know why till now. No. About propaganda saying it make a sembako, sembako mu, chan trofa sometimes we are too neat. NDC4 have always been showing us politics are gonna hire a dirty game. That is what it is. Gonna because of NDC. And yes, we have it that the dirty aspect kakra. Because one thing I make a day say, the moment Ghanaians have not come out to say yempe NDC or more approach no, actually say their approach is appealing to some people, and those people are NDC approach and they appealing to no. You hear almost vote. And the yempe for your mushe show Organa sem so no. You say baby the mushe pa. Pra nentinase. Jojo. Says Kabia Mofan boy. Yes, we a bit propaganda no. Share. Channel way. Say when I'm mutimi share me nima muhumi ni yes. The bet me to channel for beer of YouTube ha e dia propaganda yen minimum ba. Who say me? We are den enye me. But scan any. And me they say single for such who say oral no dear. Because a sem na makika boom. Amudia matchron home book. And I feel na maybe who say NDC for a bunch of resource wasters. The scarce resource I want my manga. You say boano, and for boy NDC for they will help you to waste it. That's what they are doing right now. First of all, let's go and listen to this interesting conversation. Before then, Mohamunim say, me the assembly betu money about your studio. But say you movie free. We me single room muna meet you. Me single room. The mpano ani and I made a corner we mo every year we juma nkurɔfoɔ nenam and sometimes also nkurɔfoɔ ɔmo around ɔmo sɛ ɔmo yɛ MPP ni and it's not really too good nkan sɛ me landlord sɛ ɔtumi sɔre na ɔka kyerɛ me sɛ ɔyɛ NDC ni rent not ɔtumi too mu anyhow because me MPP ni ntia na media ha nso yɛ edwuma ni ntia enti na yɛsi na nkurɔfoɔ bi nso wɔ hɔ ampɛ sɛ ɔmbɛ join kana asɛm no na yɛmboa MPP right but yeah ɔmutumi ba me dem de bia saa right ba na sa mini privacy bia ɛno so ka ho ntina yɛ sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛmbie studio no right meaning say we are in very tough times and yet easy to come by money meaning but me pa mucho mumboye why mumboye kitwa bianswa the total budget is 25,000 Ghana cedis, $2,300 pa mucho mumboye madam was saying now let's listen to this, don't go anywhere. Cheers.
And NDC for a debate na my church no has ka pesa mekeka and I use screenshot kakra but ebena bufu ebia ense make ka kire wo mo no nke bia ka be haadwe intini bia ko ma de yesi ntini I take it my stride me fa ne sa me fa ne sa ka bia kwa homa no so na ye ne Dr. Donfe edin ko mo kakra on the economy we share figures na eba sese na I'm told say public debt ne koso it doesn't mean say obako bobesia and that's more besia and say first finance minister Kisela to force say oba be issue 7-year bond as I say you know so we borrow Monday and Tuesday of course you know say you borrow na so more besia it you know say be ho enkomo and na MPP enra look mighty minority once again take your flowers mighty minority once again and no mo yadi utim say minority leader wasahini Alexander for the market eso jana na so kasa about 1 hour na Fenison former deputy minister and the former minister of state at the finance ministry abna say asare one so kasai ahomachimi tie no and so still and this was it on beya no be say omum pese Ghana for be who the trium gold board and Bank of Ghana
yes
M11 say yin governing so what you no so nim kasaka maka
papa
obi ntimi kan che me say governor na wabon ya wontimi nyini nsema no
na sameje mfin so de
obi so ntimi kan che me say sameje mfi obi na no ntie sameje mfi lawyer wakasa mena bro in fact wakasa ma wako family tree mu nyina edugo for family tree nyina ba intercept the sameje mfi ntimi nyia no and to the extent they say members of parliament they say e carry ya ba ne sa transactions akwa prepreja e say sameje mfi say on the one ka Bank of Ghana was so nyu mo me wa governor say World Bank for $214 million. IMF ya boka egu mo ye ko kan so mo mienka and a parliament say mo miente by partisan committee ad hoc committee ni ye hwehwem ye fam penifo mfa me chichiri mu aso and this for some monte ase de na musuru
committee nse for mo so amuna mo
di pa be do so me ko mo zamba san atena so mpo etini nyina no mo so monte ase ye bedi ehon komo and na minority aside press conference bi ampechum MP4 Mampong and we say look President Mahama ni ya plenya wotimu na de wotimu de airborne from ekoba no a conflict of interest na ehun sem bebre and e bedi nkomo if am ye no akwa bie bibi kakra e wo sa over document na NDC for no okuta mode enam so mbagiska no amaye no ni bebusa ye ho say senkana na akufu ado ena nka wote obi plemu ya ni bakwa fe no akufu anase fe na ado anase fe no ochire ane fe no ochire daako anase fe ne daako a ya wonye achimni kwampa ofi be kwa kwampa ke be ga se dibusu ni me say family tree no e kwamba kwa ni say e ba kwa ni say ya kwa